Hi guys, it's Friday, so that means it's time for another Freebie Friday. This is another PDF for you to download and sell wherever you like. It's designed for KDP, 8.5 by 11 inches with bleed. Sell it on Etsy, sell it on Lulu, sell it wherever the chuff you please. This is a reward for you for subscribing, like and comment as well if you want to. It does help me and I do appreciate it. It's a reward for just watching this video to the end. You'll get a discount code, and in the description is a link to my Gumtree shop where you download this book, put the code in, and it's yours for absolutely nout. And this is just a short video, so give me less than 5 minutes of your time, and I'll give you this book that you can sell and make an unlimited amount of money. Actually, it's 2 books, and I'll show you them right now. So this is the first PDF you'll get. It's a colour version, and it's called A Gratitude Journal for Little Monsters. Fun theming throughout. So this is the title page. The first page the kids will see as they open the book. And then we'll get into this. It's a double-sided or a double page layout repeating book. So there's 2 pages repeated throughout. And this is it here. There's a section for a date. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm thankful for. They fill in 3 things they're thankful for. Today I feel happy, angry, sad, worried. The colouring, whichever one they feel. Don't stifle them. Then colour them what the hell they like. And then there's a reason there why they feel the way they feel. Other little monsters to colour in. Things I did well. Things I will do tomorrow. Today I will give myself so many stars. Again, they are reasoning why they're giving themselves stars. Today I was nice to blah blah blah. Today I helped blah blah blah. Today someone was nice to me. Today this person helped me. And that's repeated throughout the book. It's a 100-page book. This in standard colour costs £2.85 to print. That's all. Not your premium colour, your standard colour. And I did drop a little teaser trailer for this giveaway earlier in the week. You'll have seen the actual physical books because I've printed them out myself and they look mighty fine. So this is the colour version. If you want to see what they look like in the flesh, watch the last video or I'll tag it below and you can see what it looks like in the flesh. There's also a black and white version. This is so you can print out in black and white ink. It's cheap for you to print. You can also market it as a fully colouring in book so they can colour in this title page, colour in all these little monsters here. It is just the same book in black and white. That's what you're going to get. You're going to get these 2 files for watching this video. Now these files are perfectly sized for KDP, 8.5 by 11 inches with bleed because the images go right to the edge of the page. And this is what it looks like when you upload it to KDP. You'll see on the left hand side, quality check, there are no issues at all with the sizing of it. So that's the front cover that I made. You'll have to make your own. And this is the book. Perfectly sized. And if you watch the little teaser trailer I made, you'll see that this all fits absolutely perfectly. And that's it. Just the same page over and over and over again. Black and white book is exactly the same. So this is what you get for completely free as a reward for subscribing to us, liking the videos and commenting on the videos. Nice comments only though. I've also made a playlist, which this is part of. It's all the freebies I've got on my YouTube page, my Gumtree. So click on the playlist, watch those vids, you'll get a load of more books for free. And I'll be adding to it all the time. Freebie Friday, hopefully it's going to be a regular thing. But I also do giveaways during the week as well. Whenever I find a decent file or whenever I need to put out a video, I whack a freebie on the end of it just to give you something as a reward for putting up with me waffle. Right, so that's it for today's video. Remember, you get these 2 files for free just by watching this vid, clicking on the link below and typing in the discount code. The discount code for today is MONSTERS. 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 I'll put it in the text below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.